I'm George, this is Hunters, and this is our top 5 Hunters products you can fit at home. Number 1, our twin wireless charger. Number 2, our rear gloss black spoiler. Number 3, our Hunters exhaust tips. Number 4, our LED boot light. And number 5, our newest product, our V2 CHEQUER tailgate strip. Bonus round, our V1, our V2 and V4 reverse lights. So all 6 of these products, I have fitment videos readily available on our YouTube channel. So if you're interested in any of these products, get in contact with our sales team now.